healthy as mine. I'm so happy because you are my cousin, and I hope you enjoy your birthday. And also, we want you to know that if you need help, we are here to help you. Just be shy. Don't be shy to ask for help. Once again, happy birthday, and love you. Welcome, alright.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Hanley Padua, and now may call on Ma'am Aisha Enciso.
Happy birthday, Ate Dian. Be responsible by 18
Shane Enciso.
Good evening, everyone. Happy birthday, and 18 ka na, so pero dire in advice sa mga parents sa iyo mas nakaka-ibaro or nakapano kayo. Then initama ini sa adik natin. So, happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Shane Enciso, and now may call on Miss Hartzell Padua.
Thank you. This time, let's call in hardship.
Hello, Ama's Princess and Budut's memories. As you turn 18, may this milestone be the start of an extraordinary chapter filled with love, laughter, and dreams coming true. Know that I'll always be your Ate May, cheering you on every.
Once again, thank you so much, Miss Hardship, and what this time we call Corby. Once again, Miss Michelle Corby.
Birthday.
Once again, Miss Jessica Rimandata. Kasi po, Kira partner.
Happy 18th birthday. Celebrations and making memories together. From our kalokohan to our serious talks and katawa-tawa, kami-tawa ng pagsakan, and syempre, ibak-ibak na kalagsak. Tapos, share naman kung ang katinanakit ng mundo. Thank you for always being willing sa akin. As you enter this new chapter, keep chasing your dreams.
Closa.
And now may call on Bianca Octa.
The start of new adventures.
Grace Dimon. so much, Miss Grace Timol, and now may call on Jana Dingay.
Happy birthday, Anne. Welcome to adulthood. I hope your day is filled with joy.
Dingay, and now may call on Miss Jenna Alderon.
Happy birthday. So, wishing you all the best as you celebrate this. Hi, Anne. Happy birthday, Anne.
Angel Bendanello.
Happy birthday. Wish you all.
May call on the last Kando Ma'am Kay Nigo Lagarto.